So I just wanted to bring you guys a quick video of another product I picked up. Don't mind the voice, I'm getting over a cold. But this is a nice product. I've done a lot of these. They all work really similar, so it just depends what you're looking for. But they come in really handy, so let me go ahead and share what I just got. So if you're like me, you like having a device that makes maintaining your car easy. And like I said, I've done a lot of these over the years, and they all have the same purpose. It just kind of depends what you're looking for. If you want something that fits in the glove compartment or a more robust product. But this one right here that I got is a really good unit. I've used it, works really good. They all kind of have the same speed. But like I said, it all goes by personal preference. So what am I talking about? It's another nice air compressor. So let me go ahead and share exactly what it looks like and all the functions that it has. So this one's by NILIGHT. I've done a lot of their products before. Really good. It's not going to break the bank. But as you see, this is a more substantial unit here. And what I like about this one here, let me just get out of the box here. It has its own battery pack that you charge up. So it'll last a very long time. Instead of having a built-in battery, has this battery pack right here that you just charge this. It's a 20 volt. Here's a charger for it. And you just open this flap and plug it in, charge it. And then you can also use this battery pack to plug a USB device into it too, to charge something like your phone for emergency purposes. But it just pops in there. You see that it's on. And what I like about these is you just set the PSI to what you want. And then you push start and it'll automatically turn off when it hits that desired PSI, so there's no guessing. Then it has these two bright lights here. Probably doesn't do it justice, but they're super bright. So this would be something good to keep in your trunk for emergencies. Has a light, and then you can also blow up inflatables with it as well. So this is for the tires, of course, that you'd use. And then there's attachments that it has. And you can also plug it into your cigarette lighter if you didn't have the battery, charge it up. So there's a lot of different ways you can use this. So you push this nozzle here to air up your tires. So you just flip that down, and then you use this part right here to air up your tires. That's straightforward. And then you switch it up, and you can use this piece that plugs in to the front here. And you can use that to insert in like a lot of those inflatable rafts and blow up balls and that kind of stuff. It makes it really easy to use it like as an air compressor. But really nice unit. Like I said, it has a nice handle, has some weight to it. So if you have the room to store one of these, it'd be nice to keep in your trunk. And I've also done other ones that are smaller. If you don't really have the space, you can use ones for your glove compartment. But this is a nice unit, like I said, because you can also use that battery pack to charge your devices. Just a USB cable is needed. So it has a lot of functions. I like these things because they're like for emergencies. So you don't have to go hunt around, try to find a gas station with air. Carry one of these and keep your tires properly inflated. Definitely help with the gas mileage and performance as well. And you'd be surprised how fast your tires lose pressure. So it's always good to keep in your car. Like I've used to not have one of these and I'd run around to the gas stations. And it's always a pain trying to get that hose around to make sure it reaches all four tires, and then having a gauge to see what the pressure is. This takes all the guesswork out of it. It's really easy. So if you're interested in this, I'll put a product link in the description. If you have any questions, comments, definitely leave them below. I'll get right back to you guys. Hope everyone's having a great day out there though. Staying safe. I appreciate your feedback as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.